Hello. In this tutorial I will go over a couple versions of the song, including It Was a Swift Not a Sparrow, and the new version that Jay does on concerts. So, we'll start with the original one that's from Ultimate Guitar. So, the chords are pretty simple, the simple shapes. So your first finger goes here on the second fret, then those two go on the fourth fret on those two strings, and the last finger goes on the third fret of the second string. Then you just move this whole shape up one string, then you slide it in that direction, up. And then it's E minor, which is just those two fingers on second fret. Yeah, that's pretty simple. So what the right hand is doing is not complicated at all. You really need those two fingers. So the thumb is doing the bass, then this finger is goes in this string, then the bass again, and this finger hits those two strings simultaneously. Something like that. When you change chords, when you move it up, you move up this whole thing again, so it stays the same relative to the chords. And that's pretty much it. Next I will go through the concert version that Jay does. There is no picking, it's just strumming, so it's those two chords again, but instead of sliding one fret, you slide to the fifth fret. And instead of E minor, you play E, so you just add this finger right here to this chord. Sorry, that's the wrong one. That's the one. So the strumming is not that complicated, but you have to strum with your thumb, and that strumming is pretty much standard for all crawling songs. So yeah, you adjust your thumb. I will just do it slowly because it's too complicated to explain. So the downstroke you just hit, that's one string, and the upstroke you use this part of the finger, and just strum all the strings you can. And you repeat it over and over. And now the version that I think is the original, because I can't really confirm it, but I think it's from original recording. It's basically the same as the first version they shown you, but the first chord is here. It's basically the same chord, so your finger goes here, there, on the string, and those two go on 9th fret. basically the same chord, but in different place. And why I think it's how it was played originally, because you can hear this slide down, and so it played basically the same. And now the most different version from those three is the swift, not the sparrow. The chords are not similar at all. So the chords are this one, which is, you don't use your middle finger here, it's just this one over here and those two over there. Then it's the same shape but from the 5th fret of the thickest string, and you move it to the next dot, so 2 frets down. And the right hand is doing very much the simpler thing. It's just those fingers and you go down the strings. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then when you move the chord, you move your hand up 1 string. And that's basically it. It is a pretty simple song if you know what you're doing. I'm still not sure if that's the how it was recorded originally, but it sounds very much like it with that slide on the string you can hear. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. You can leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever, or maybe nothing. So yeah, bye.